Recent data shows that pickup trucks are among the most solid new vehicles in the USA. Americans tend to prefer them for their versatility and customization potential. For example, the gear that we'd like to show you in today's video could turn any truck into a capable camping companion or become your trusty tool on an overlanding trip. Let's get started. Four-wheel campers Orvis Special Edition. Four-wheel campers have just announced an interesting addition to their pickup truck camper lineup. Specially developed with Orvis for fly fishing getaways and remote locations, this slide-in model with a pop-up roof is available for trucks with beds ranging from 6 to 6.8 feet or full-size trucks with an 8-foot bed. Based on a welded aluminum frame, the model weighs 1,679 pounds and provides enough sleeping space for 3 adults. The interior is adorned with durable materials and illuminated by LED lights hooked up to a 135 amp-hour power source. It has either a standard queen or optional king bed, a portable induction or propane stove, a 20-gallon freshwater tank, an 85-liter fridge, and a sink for your cooking needs. Finally, the useful features for fishermen include a lockable rod bunker, a mud locker that keeps your wet tools contained, and an L-track system for hassle-free installation of additional gear. Nissan Project Trailgator. This year, Nissan began heating the interest towards their SEMA showpieces several weeks before the start of the exhibition. To properly present the latest Nismo off-road accessories, upcoming overlanding equipment, and camping gear, the Japanese automotive giant and Power Nation TV put together a frontier-based concept called the Project Trailgator. The build aimed to revolutionize the tailgating experience and make sure that you won't miss your favorite game even during an outdoor getaway. The truck has two 43-inch TVs and a specially developed soundbar that are powered by a lithium battery pack with optional solar panel recharging. The ingredients for your pre-game snacks and meals could be stored inside a Dometic fridge, while the actual cooking can be done on a folding kitchen setup that consists of a propane grill and a sink. Ross Monster Overland Baja Series. Several years ago, the Colorado-based Ross Monster presented the first iteration of their Baja truck camper. It was designed to be more compact and lighter than an average expedition truck and offered 3 standard floor plans that can sleep from 2 to 4 people. It came with a queen-sized bed over the cab, a full kitchen with impressive countertop space, an off-the-grid electrical package, and an optional tailor-made service in case you needed a custom interior. As the years went by, the company started building on the success of the Baja truck and presented a range of purpose-built models. The Baja LX features heated floors, a hot water system for the wet bath stall, and a well-equipped kitchen for the most luxurious overlanding experience. The Baja EX is most suitable for faraway expeditions, so it replaces the fixed shower with a folding one, thus giving you more living space, a larger capacity fridge, and a more spacious countertop. Finally, the brand's newest and largest Baja Plus gets a more robust chassis, improved carrying capacity, gear for 4-season travel, and a floor plan suitable for up to 6 people. How do you like these models so far? What gear do you think is most needed in a truck camper? Share your thoughts below, and we'll keep going. Carpa Camper. This aspiring brand from Turkey is making its first steps in the overlanding and camping industry. Their first product is a slide-in truck camper with a pop-up roof that was developed with a lightweight approach and durability in mind. The camper has a DKP sheet metal frame with aluminum elements and weighs just 660 pounds. By powder coating the exterior and adding a combination of a 20mm styrofoam and felt coating, the camper gained a 4-season capability. By having the floor and upper bed areas, the Carpa Camper can accommodate up to 4 people. The list of standard equipment includes an 11.8-gallon clean water tank with a booster pump, a sink, a kitchen cabinet with an aluminum top surface, and a portable stove for your cooking needs. If needed, you may opt for an additional solar panel setup. Infanta 4x4 in Kunzi. The Toyota Land Cruiser 79 series is still incredibly popular in Oceania for its off-road prowess and often serves as an unbeatable platform for campers. Among these, the Infanta 4x4 in Kunzi flatbed stands out for its off-grid utility and striking design. Built from aerospace composites, it extends over a single-cab Land Cruiser or Hilux chassis, providing ample space for 2 overlanders. It features a wedge-style pop-up roof that spans its 9.8-foot length, a slide-out double bed, and an outdoor shower setup. The kitchen extends from the bumper to the cab with a 90-liter fridge, storage shelves, a sink, and a dual-burner stove. Water is supplied from a 120-liter reserve. The interior is straightforward, featuring a transverse double bed, standing space for dressing, and storage compartments. Electrical systems include a 105 amp-hour battery, 220-volt hookup, and optional solar charging. Additional exterior access lockers offer storage beneath the bedroom slide-out and reveal 8 lockable external compartments. Wildland Wingman. Wingman is an innovative combination of a rooftop tent and a truck topper that weighs 550 pounds and is compatible with all pickup models. When in travel mode, the Wingman looks like an average topper. However, in camp mode, you can engage its unique electric double-lift system that can bear loads up to 660 pounds, thus getting a 2-story camping setup for up to 3 people. When fully raised, the lower level can be used as living quarters, a lounge area, or as storage for your camping gear. It can also accommodate a 360-degree awning, an awning wall, an exterior shower tent, and other types of camping solutions. The top level has a bed with a full-size panoramic roof and a roof rack for carrying up to 66 pounds of additional cargo. Super Pacific Switchback X1. The Portland, Oregon-based Super Pacific has been in business since 2019, but has mostly flown under the radar due to modest marketing. Still, the company managed to find its buyer and set up efficient production process, so you can expect to get the Switchback X1 camper in 10 weeks from order to delivery. This no-nonsense adventure truck bed has folding construction, consisting of an aluminum base with CNC machine hinges and wedge-style pop-up tent with honeycomb and fiberglass roof. The latter is made from 4-season marine-grade fabric and is fitted with 3 large screen doors for 270-degree views. The model has multiple mounting inserts, mole panels for modular organization, and universal integrated T-slots tracking for all kinds of accessories, like roof racks or solar. Every X1 is fitted with the patented free-flow vent system, allowing you to control condensation and airflow inside the camper. The pop-top houses an inflatable Exped Mega Mat Duo LW Plus mattress for 2 people, located on a foldable bed platform that offers 20 inches of storage inside. Scout Campers Tuk Tut. Scout Campers, a Washington state-based maker of hardshell campers with minimalist designs, has recently unveiled a new model named the Tuk Tut. This slide-in model with a ratchet tie-down system weighs just 634 pounds, has enough room for 2 people, and is suitable for most modern mid-size pickup trucks. The Tuk Tut is based on an aluminum exoskeleton frame, covered with composite structural panels to provide long-lasting protection all year round. The model was built in collaboration with Goose Gear, a well-known provider of modular storage solutions, so you can add or remove the gear depending on your needs. In the base configuration, you get windows with a screen and a solar reflective shade, a bed with outdoor performance fabric, a fire extinguisher, a smoke detector, and tons of room for additional modules by Goose Gear. Scout Campers also offers such optional features such as a 500-watt dual-plug inverter, a slide-out bunk, a galley cabinet with sink, and a Dometic fridge. Grumpy Bear Campers Arctos Sport. This year, Grumpy Bear Campers Company expands its lineup with a new slide-in model with 4-season capabilities. This lightweight model tips the scales at 1,102 pounds, has a fiberglass shell, dual-pane tinted side windows, and comes with ratchet tie-downs for hassle-free mounting. The standard set of features includes a convertible bed with 2-inch thick cushions, laminated cabinets, a table base, a 5-gallon porta-potty, a 16,000 BTU furnace, a 10-speed roof vent, and a 30-amp electrical converter. The list of optional equipment includes a Dometic cooler with a 14-gallon capacity, a roof-mounted air conditioner, a propane tank, and a lithium-ion backup battery, filled with your own interior components. Thanks for watching till the very end. If you'd like to learn more about the latest camping inventions, please check the suggested videos on the screen or subscribe to receive new videos in your inbox. Thanks in advance and have a good one.